Luzon University. Ladies and gentlemen, your finalists in the 1,500 meters Women Open 100 meters.
The standing Philippine record for the 1,500 meters is 4 minutes and 24.87 seconds, established by Marieta Tabangin Magno on May 27, 1989 at the Taipei Invitational Meet in Changwon, Taipei.
Nangarin ng aking kamay ang tagal. Ulo! Go Pags! Pags! Unahan mo na! Go! Ako kinakabahan. Let's go! Go Pags! Go Pags! Sikitan mo! Let's go, Asia! Wala lang.
Sorry, palya. Hindi ka telegram ha. Pero maganda yung pagpa.
Final results for the discus throw, men under 20. Rank 1, Zachary Labi. Rank 2, Josh Gabriel Salcedo. Rank 3, Lander George Alban. Athletes that were just mentioned, please proceed to the grandstand now. Final results for the 110-meter hurdles, men open. Rank 1, Clinton Kingsley Bautista. Rank 2, Van Alexander Obejas. Rank 3, Pacifico Tolentino. Athletes that were just mentioned to the grandstand now. 110-meter hurdles, men under 20. Final results. Rank 1, Fritz Ian Kalisaan. Rank 2, Mark Jana Pakulanang. Rank 3, Carl James Luzon. Athletes that were just mentioned to the grandstand now. 3,000 meter race walk, women under 20. Final results, rank 1, Sep Blessy Placido. Rank 2, Francina Andrade. Rank 3, Ira Mega Kusan. Athletes, the grandstand now. 3,000 meter race walk, women open. Final results, rank 1, Asinet Serat. Rank 2, Juliana Talaro. Rank 3, Mary Julian Bayola. Athletes to the grandstand now.
Gago, pinapapasok na. Ba't nandito pa rin kayo? Lane 1, Minad Rodriguez from EU.